everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a collaboration hosted by Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, and the name of this collaboration is called My Christmas, My Style 2018. My Christmas style is very exotic, glam. I love things that are very glamorous, especially this time of year. And what I usually do is go out shopping for ornaments. I love ornaments, and usually throughout the year I use them also. And I love looking for unique and interesting ornaments to place on my tree, to hang them, or to use them in a centerpiece, or use them in other decor DIYs. So starting with the stores that I went to Walmart. I have a few items from Pier 1, Ross, Shoppers World, and let's see, I believe that is it. Starting off with Shoppers World. And all of their items, I was lucky, were 50 cents. The ornaments that I purchased were 50 cents each. Starting with these two beautiful red ornaments. I love red. Matter of fact, the colors that I'm using this Christmas are pretty much the traditional colors, except that I'm not using a green. I'm using red, gold, silver, white, and maybe a little, I was going to use rose gold, but I don't know. I kind of like the red now. And I also was going to use black, but I use black all the time. Matter of fact, if you look back, you will see that I have black on a black tapestry and black right now. So I'm thinking of switching from black and just using red as my main focal color, but my colors are going to be those colors. So they were 50 cents each. And oops, these are very beautiful and glamorous. Red and gold ornaments here, and just the red here. And I will use those on the tree. Oops. And these little present boxes were 99 cents each. These were not 50 cents each. But how pretty are those? How glamorous are those? And these beautiful little birds. I think these are owls. They were 50 cents each. One has silver wings and the other one has white wings, and they are very glam. And I will probably use those probably on the tree maybe. And I love these two silver round ornaments, and I purchased the one big one to place in the centerpiece. And I have purchased, if I can get this one off the floor, I have 4 sets of these. And how beautiful and glamorous are these black icicle, like, I look like icicles. And they were 50 cents each. I got 4 of them. And I don't know what I will use. I could have these hanging from this, but I don't know if I'm going to use the black, but I just thought, how gorgeous are those? Very glamorous ornaments. Now the next place that I went to is Walmart. These are clip-on flowers, and they were I think $2.98 each. I have 2 of them. Very glamorous flowers, poinsettias, very pretty. Next I have these beautiful elephant ornaments. I probably will use them as a home decor item on maybe the table or mantle. I will probably will not use them on the tree. These are probably I will use year round. Very glamorous elephants. And how glamorous are these beautiful black ornaments with the fur on top. Very nice. And, oops. Now these are very glam, and they are little globes with little deer scenery with the snow and the trees in the background. How gorgeous are those? And these are definitely going on the tree. And let's see. And my colors for this holiday are the red and gold and white colors. And that will definitely be my main color. And let's see what else. And I have this train, and I think this is very traditional. This reminds me of my father. He used to love trains, and every Christmas we would connect it and have fun. And I got these little small snowflake ornaments, and I will use them probably on a tapestry or somewhere in a DIY. And that is it from Walmart. The next place I purchased just one thing, and that was from Big Lots. One set of ornaments, and how pretty are them? Very glamorous, red and gold glitter ornaments. And is that I will show you that I purchased from Ross. Only a few items. I purchased these lovely crossed, what do you call these? Napkin holders. You call them napkin holders, and they're very bling cross napkin holders. And I purchased 2 of these, but I only see one right now. These are from Ross. I purchased 2 of these ornaments, snowflake ornaments with rhinestones, and they were $3.99 each. I have the other one somewhere, but this is from Ross. And I purchased a nice candle. It's by Tender Flame Spice Pumpkin. Oh, it smells so good. And next item from Ross are my favorite items that I will show you are these beautiful pinks, and I purchased 4 of them. Look how gorgeous is that. And you can use these in a centerpiece, or you can use them in the tree, and they are very beautiful, aren't they? Very beautiful. Now I'm getting them stuck together. Okay. All right. But anyways, they are, sorry, oops. That one's a red one, and they were all $3.99 each. Beautiful, lovely picks. If I can get this one out, I'll be in good shape. Anyways, I will do that later. I'm trying to get that out of there. Come on, there we go. So these are beautiful to decorate with, not only at Christmas time, but throughout the year. You can use these in a flower arrangement or in something on your table, centerpiece or whatever. Very pretty. From Ross. And I think that is it, but I will show you two of my favorite ornaments that I purchased many years ago from Pier 1. and I will use them this year. They're very glamorous and very large. These beautiful, very bling round ornaments that I purchased many years ago from Pier 1, and they are very, very glamorous. And I probably will not use them on a tree because I think my tree is too small for these big ornaments. I will probably have them hanging. And these are very old ornaments that I love, and this is my style. I love collecting ornaments. Let's get these out. Ooh. These are real old ornaments. One is missing the tassel, but they're very glamorous also, that I had for quite a while. This one is little tassel is kind of falling apart, but they're old and very unique, very detailed ornaments, and I will probably place these on the tree this year just because they are very beautiful ornaments. So that will be the end of this haul, and I would like to thank Amateur Decorating Like a Pro for hosting these beautiful holiday, upcoming holiday collaborations. There's quite a few of them. I hope to participate in a few of them. And I will hopefully see you guys next time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, and many blessings.